Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips 5.1 speakers. The model number for this one is SPA4040B. This is what it's supposed to look like. There's a subwoofer and 5 satellite speakers. It has USB connectivity, has FM radio, and you can play it via SD card as well. That's the only information that we can glance from the box. Let's just open the box and see what we find inside. There you are, all very neatly packed. These are the 5 satellite speakers. So let's take them out. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4, and then number 5. There's also a user manual here. Let's take a quick look. Here we go. This is the user manual. I'm going to leave this here. And this, of course, is the subwoofer. This is a remote control. There's a pair of RCA cables, some extra cables. This is the user manual. This is the right way of looking at it. This is the LED display. A lot of controls over here, multimedia controls. Your volume rockers over here. This is for tuning, and this is for changing the source. And these are the other paraphernalia that comes with it. There's a couple of wires here. There's the remote and the user manual. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Philips 5.1 speakers. Thank you for watching.